the whites, it's like a virtually holiday for them.
Holiday, so football need on your work.
It's a Christmas Day, your mobile. Christmas Day was supposed to be holiday. I tell you, it's Christmas Day, your mobile. Holiday, footballers. Saturday, no corner. I'm on for some more game.
I'm saying, no game, none of them. Nottingham Forest.
So yes, Chelsea it's not and your
wonderful team.
Net and your fit. Chelsea
passes no papa. Na Chelsea. Oh, there.
And I make a choice. Chelsea and Emma give me your fit. But on a normal day, Nottingham Forest war against Crystal Palace.
I'm the brother. It is on Bob game visit from the ball by 5 minutes.
The time I'm not Chelsea for the catcher. The time I'm not Chelsea for the catcher was a game 3-3. So the Monday. No. Sena one insurance.
Oh, one but 2 Monday we are getting. Hey, one even why? We are getting yes, so Baku and Nottingham Forest. Yes, sir. Nottingham Forest. I'm going to go into my bread. And I push you game in the call. Monday, Uncle Bonana Unity. And there you go. Said, but yeah, not time for the rest. Mosama, who are a share every cup back on Yedi. Tanaway, Naipia near Chelsea Nisico, Jabakun, Jimmy and Sa. Chelsea for Nangasano. Chelsea for Nangasano. Yeah. I think, sir, a fairness of Munyon won't just say, no problem, no, and your coaching problem. Because if Yatini are putting in 3 straight coaches, now some coaches they are still facing the same problem. So Munyo Montias say problem no, and you fully coaching problem. They say we no crowns no. They say how much is 4 and 5 for?
Yeah, you about 35.
Also, about 35.
But on no game back boy in the FA Cup final.
When they say FA Cup,
until I kind of
FA Cup no problem. Now when it's a 3 now,
yeah.
Chase for your money.
But I match say,
we lose.
Now what Mara was saying, on next 2 games say against Tottenham and Liverpool.
I know
Edding, yeah. But I'm saying say, yes, then they play. Yes, I think Tottenham and Liverpool. That those 2 games. Yes, Nina. I have to check the matches. But I think say, yeah, or that's the next 2 games. And if how I go to Bobo idiot. A bad thing, Papa. And Madia. Sa go na. Sa canoa. Men fan says I canoa. Omote, you know. Make
consolation go no.
Consolation no, 3-3 no.
Man City,
you know. Then go na Jao Pedro share, you know.
Yeah.
And they push you from 10th to 9th. 1 goal.
That one going to do a mobile 9. And can you
run a ball game where they would have been 10.
I'm original positions and the medical catcher, so I'm not also 10. I'm Chomutan, I'm 10. Now 10 no crown. Or more real, or maybe between 12 and 10. Oh, for you. Some more Bob Benya 980 did.
Baba, I would check.
Oh, do it for checking points. I don't want to Saka. Now, more Mujomochi. Ombe tutu omosin ombe bro
edio therefore anopai my shall say for Chelsea he say 14-1 na Chelsea ka say 14-1 na ye ka 14 goals conceded 1 scored enunti sa wo check Chelsea for last 6 games na mabo no a Chelsea conceded 14 goals and a match 1 and we are make a Premier League come on a midi memfa FA Cup semi-final game in Kano, Premier League. And the last 6 Premier League games, no, Chelsea are conceded 14 goals. And a match 1. That goal no share, you know. Yes, I'll go almost share and rap. And then after the very contender for goal of the season. Very, very nice goal. So I call her already. Or no, I say Chelsea for now. Or no one I do a bit more. You know why magic kakra. But we play to cool power. And I was ya shout and the penalty at all. Boshe. Now, just look. Oh, wherefore say, oh yes, I'll be Chelsea for game. No, I just because Obi Kranwa one game Nibia the moment of who Chelsea for lineup. Oh, who Nottingham Forest for lineup. No, I did about the team. They say Nottingham for a day actually a team B. and a good game no. So man Nottingham Forest. Yes, Europa League ball. And it's a woman not a day a virtual team B ever show 3 goals and so what about it goes beyond coaching. It goes beyond players. No say because will be young there. There is something that is actually happening with Chelsea football team now. They need to find the root cause of it. We are Enzo Maresca asem, Enye Liam Rosinho asem. Maybe per players decided there. I have seen them criticize the sacking of Enzo Maresca. And the back say players there is some sort of bitterness and unpleasant ajebi wo mumu. I see that edge and that's the reason why we are seeing some of these results. Such as the club no papa about games na mako in the Premier League omo wini bi. And the last time it happened here, no, it happened far back as 1993. Or for them, 1 year. The last time Chelsea about 6 consecutive games in the Premier League, no more winning, you know. You are crying out, and the whole issue about Chelsea for the way that they are losing games, no. Emma, we are Chelsea fan. Every hour, hope Chelsea as someone. A man and young niggas some and for mount. And Sankajao. Pedro and Chasabo no Kranoa. And it was going to be the worst in the Premier League history. Such as the club in about 6 games without winning a game and without winning a goal too. And this whole issue about Chelsea and about the games of a boy, this is not Chelsea's level. Sir, Newcastle a show, Everton a show, Mamini Man University phone free, Brighton a show, Nottingham Forest a show. Say Chelsea you have to shower in your news, but I've already said it. Say not and time happen. Say was the Chelsea club on lose a game. Every will fear against United. Maybe like I say games now cannot City club net there since 2021. Chelsea in sharing that and it's a record no. But the referee said Newcastle shower. Say Everton shower. Say Brighton and Nottingham Forest for shower. There's a root cause, there's a problem. We shall see. And the Chelsea 4 issues in here. Or if we be a case, a baby won't come on, a bear day gakra. As I said, Sam go back on one, Jean Pedro Shea, and then move with Chelsea for club no, from 10th into that position on day. But just look at this Chelsea 48, right? Brighton 50. And I don't see home, they say, game is not Kadema Chelsea, no. And Mouse, I did because. Say Everton for show. Everton for that was say. Say I kind of saying Nottingham Forest for show. If these teams are beating you, can you guarantee? Say you'll be able to beat Liverpool, will be able to beat Tottenham Hotspur, and will be able to beat Sunderland. Can you guarantee that? Because there's some teams when you know shower. Or for Liverpool club, no one
say Tottenham party. Say to me answer now.
Oh, Papa, the ball here. Boy. Do you know, say, actually, Nottingham Forest for any bad season. Every Europa League final, but some problem maybe and last year Tottenham go face here. Tottenham were playing well in Europe, but they were playing badly in domestic cups. Yeah. And the ball league now they were 17. Nemo na Omaji Europa League no. The same thing at Nottingham Forest for Nemuno. They are playing well in Europe, but domestically I'm more year. And if Nottingham Forest first match why is the guarantee that Tottenham was for 20 minutes? What I say? And the football when it gets to this level, I didn't make my catching there when I said I have on possibilities, I have on maybes, and I have Maria Edma. Because Enra, per the line up and not Forest for the man. Wherefore, so I depart 10 the original Hormone. M8 will tell you such as are going to win the game. I can't Forest for drop players, no. And I'm on the team be able. But if they were able to beat you 3-0 up, and so now I shall go better backward. Wherefore, there is no guarantee that you're going to beat Liverpool or Anfield. There's no guarantee that you're going to beat Tottenham Hotspur or I can say Stamford Bridge. Because at that same stadium, no, and I'm one more of them. Tottenham are actually one of the best away teams in the Premier League. Tottenham have a problem, no, and yeah, away at home. Tottenham are dropping points at home. They've won only 2 games. I will fear the whole season. But Omoko away, they are the third or fourth best team ever away in the Premier League.
Yeah, because they are not just at the chain.
Yes.
Yes.
But if that is, I didn't know where Namuadia is the same target.
The same early kickoff.
Yes. 11:30.
Yeah.
And if you can Liverpool are struggling for Monam. And I want him there for Chelsea form, so they want to pounce on that form too. That's the entry, baby. And immediately they lose that game. I want to meet City in the FA Cup final. And now I bought the Tottenham and Sunderland. And it's just a problem, it keeps on going. I mean, I didn't so say we might end the league with points are KJ. For 448. Chelsea, Everton 48. Chelsea for 48. I didn't say Chelsea are careful. They might end the league at 13th or 12th. If the points no, they might end the league at that junction. 13th or 12th. Because Newcastle for 45. And we have 3 games to go.
Newcastle 45.
Chelsea was saying 48.
Yeah.
Nottingham Forest was saying
42.
We have 3 games to go. We have 3 games to go. There is 6 points differentiating Nottingham Forest and Chelsea. In the Chelsea club, no, I'm not falling within have a PM and a year. Maybe a Tottenham must perform no Mundu. Maybe Nottingham Forest 16th. They might get anywhere because it is 6 points.
So with 9 points,
with 9 points, yes. If you are you see, Tottenham must say Liverpool show, Tottenham show. No one can say Sunderland. You've lost 9 points. Let's take it as if any of these teams get 6 out of those points. But why? And there's an actual problem with Callum McFarlane and Chelsea 4 team no, and they will need. There's something they should fight about because there'll be a done the upper and the way they were playing yesterday. Eddie, I know, sir, Eddie in the map, and maybe situation we will know. He wouldn't always say he will be in this situation, but that is where they are. Yeah, how we were able to fight this and move on from there. Therefore,